Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Amazon orders not showing up if you're having internet or Wi-Fi connection issues on your laptop. Let's jump right in. First, open the Windows search bar and type network connections, then open it. If your Wi-Fi adapter appears grayed out, right-click on it and select Enable. If the Wi-Fi adapter is already enabled but Amazon still isn't loading properly, right-click it again and select Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it once more and choose Enable. This will refresh the network adapter connection. Once your laptop reconnects to the internet, open your web browser and go back to Amazon. Navigate to your orders and check your order history. At the top of the page, look for the orders placed in drop-down menu. Click it and select 2026, or choose the correct year for the order you're looking for. Your orders should then appear if the issue was caused by the connection or the selected year. And that's it. By refreshing your Wi-Fi connection and checking the correct order year, you may be able to get your Amazon orders showing again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.